Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Today, before we begin, I want you to try a small experiment yourself. Look at a distant object and then take a pencil and put it right on your face and still look at the distant object, but now with one eye first and the other eye next. You see the pencil position move? Yes, that is called parallax. Now move the pencil a little away from your face. Again, look at the pencil with reference to the distant object, first with one eye and then with the other. Again, you see the pencil move? Yes, that's again parallax. Now put the pencil the farthest you can hold, still with reference to the distant object, and then repeat the experiment. Now, as the distance of the pencil increases from your face, the angle of shift of the pencil with respect to the distant object will become lesser and lesser. Now, how is this useful for our fundamental science experiment? Well, this was one of the basic principles used by an astronomer, Tycho Brahe, in 1572 to prove that heavens move. And how did he prove that heavens move? He was observing the sky and the stars in 1572 when he noticed a new star, or it was rather a supernova which he was observing, but he called it a new star in the Cassiopeia constellation. And then after 18 months, it disappeared. This is nothing new. Stars appear and disappear. But at Tycho Brahe's time, it was said that heavens are unchanged. Nothing is born, nothing is dead, and the heavens remain unaltered. Now, this cannot be true if a star appears and disappears. Everybody watched this, but they said it is local phenomenon. And then Tycho Brahe used parallax and lots of meticulous observations to prove that it is not a local phenomenon, but a distant star. How did he know that it was a distant star? Distant stars appear fixed. When you try this pencil experiment with the farthest point that is possible, you'll know that at the farthest point, it appears fixed. It doesn't change its position, no matter from where you are viewing it. So distant stars appear fixed. And when he was observing this supernova, it appeared fixed. That means it is distant. And then it also was born and was dead, or it appeared and disappeared. That means heavens change. That way, Tycho Brahe proved heavens change. One more experiment was in 1577, he was observing a comet. Again, he looked at the comet with respect to the position of the moon, and he saw that the comet was beyond the moon. And of course, comets move, and comets also change their positions. This proved once and for all that heavens are not unaltered. Things change in distant heavens too. Thank you.